Hey, mikolajmariadawidowski here, coming back with another video of how to use a pendulum. For example, like this one. Absolutely anything can be a pendulum if you know how to use one. It's very easy to use pendulums when you know the basic how-tos. First of all, what you want to do is you want to establish your connection with the higher self. Or you want to focus your attention upwards, whatever it may be. Some people are incapable of imagining a higher self or God, so just imagine energy or focus your attention upwards. So you center yourself, so to speak. You take a moment to relax. But with a little bit of practice, it's instantaneous. And then what you want to do is, as you take your pendulum, you simply, I do it from my right hand, you simply ask questions. Can you please show me my yes? Can you please show me my no? Thank you very much. And once you establish your yes and no, you can also ask for maybe. Show me my maybe, please. You see, it's slightly moving in every direction. You can use your hand or not use your hand underneath it. It's for stabilizing energy. It is said that the longer the chain, the more energy is required to use it. Personally, I haven't noticed. I like to use long chain. It gives me good accuracy because the pendulum can properly swing when I use it. And for me, my pendulum usually stops in between every question that I ask. And you can ask any question of yes and no, because it is you connecting to your higher self with yourself in order to get the answer that is best for you. So you can ask about anything. Should I go to Russia today? Should I get excited for Egypt? Should I go to Mars? Am I on planet Earth right now? Am I a human? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Do I have the awareness of being the body? Do I have the awareness of being the mind? It's that easy. You just ask the question. Let's do one more. Should I go shopping today? Should I go outside now? Should I call my mom today? See? All knows. And then at the end you can gently take the energy out of it, wash your hand, take the energy with your hand and wash your hand, for example, or just thank it. And that's it. You can use pendulum in order to answer any yes and no question with it. But more advanced practices would be healing with the pendulum, which I will get into in future videos. But for now, this is just a basic introduction. You connect with yourself, you center yourself, you establish the connection with the pendulum, you sort of try to feel into it gently. You ask your yes, you show your no, ask your no, and then you ask some questions, and that's it. Working with the pendulum is very easy, it is very simple, and with a little bit of practice you can pick up anything. As you see, this is my necklace that I use, but you can pick up anything that is on a piece of string and just weave it around with some energy, and it will be a perfect pendulum. That's it, my friend. I bless you and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day, and I shall see you in the next video. Let me know Have you worked with the pendulum before? Do you know of other ways of working with the pendulum? I know a way of healing and cleansing, and as well as for communication purposes. Perhaps there are more that I'm unaware of, but I never fully explored working with pendulum. So let me know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe, for there's more content coming, just like this one. Until next time, bye!